this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and today it starts the 1 week collaboration that I'm doing together with Suzanne from NonstopPapercrafts. We are running a 1 week collab challenges using the hashtag Boho Summer Challenge. It starts today and it comes with papers that you can download for free in her Facebook group NonstopPapercrafts and also in my Facebook group LineDotArrow. I will also put these out on my Ko-Fi. Mine come in A4 size and also in US letter size. 5 papers. These will go very, very well with the previous collaboration kits Suzanne and I did in 2023. In May 2023, we did the Boho Summer collaboration. And in September 2023, we did the final days of summer. They will go very, very well. Make sure you check out her Etsy store too to watch the previous collaboration papers in case you're interested. I will make a separate section in on Etsy with let's say the boho papers, so you can find everything I have going on, and I will also add the final days of summer in there. Okay, enough with the talk. Let's show the papers. 5 papers with ephemera pieces. I created florals and I have portraits included and little bits and bobs. So this is my first paper. Then I have tags to embellish. Beautiful portrait. Florals. I love this design. It is, I think it's the back side of a playing card, if I'm correct. More tags, labels, words, of course butterflies. Bohemian without butterflies, it's not possible. Then I have a beautiful envelope, journal card, some little bits and bobs, and another piece of embellishment. And I have this, and then I have this strip and different tags, different florals, and a beautiful Bohemian lady. So 5 papers to work with, and you can create anything you want. We do not have a challenge. The challenge is create anything you want with these papers, and of course you are allowed to add fabrics, book pages, music papers, coffee dyed or tea dyed or food color dyed papers. You can also have like embellishments like buttons, hardware stuff like eyelets, stamps. You can add stamps. You can add a lot of things to create your unique project. And if you post it in NonstopPapercrafts, make sure you use the hashtag Boho Summer Challenge, and each post count as 1 entry. So make sure you're not confused by any. If you add 10 pictures of your project, it's still 1 post. So I would advise, if you have different projects, post each of the projects separately. You can post in NonstopPapercrafts and also in LineDotArrow. And in the groups, those entries will be counted. And after a week, Suzanne will do a giveaway in her Facebook group, spinning the names, and she will pick 3 winners. 3 winners. It's early. And each one will receive 1 free kit from her Etsy store. And I'm going to do the same in LineDotArrow, and each winner will receive a kit from my Etsy store. In LineDotArrow, new kits from new months are excluded from prizes. I'm not sure if Suzanne has that too, so make sure you really watch the details in her video. Today is just a video showing you the papers. I have 5. Where's the other one? Oh, over here. But tomorrow you will see me again, and then I'm going to start my project. On Monday you can see Suzanne start her project. On Tuesday we are going to do a live video together, and it's going to be on my channel if all goes well, and I will keep you updated in both the groups and share the links over there so you can see. Wednesday we have nothing going on, so no video from the both of us. And Thursday Suzanne will do a video again, and Friday you can see me do a video again. And then we have the Winnersdrawing on the 3rd on Sunday. So it's going to be sweet and short, but most of all fun. So 1 week, and of course after the week, if the papers will still be in the Facebook group, if you still want to create stuff with the free papers from the group, you are more than welcome to do that. But to be entered in the drawing, you have to post before the drawing will be held on the 3rd. Just make sure you are on time. Also make sure you have the hashtag right. Hashtag Boho Summer Challenge. Like I said, Suzanne is doing a video with her papers too. I will link it down below. I will link down below her Facebook group, and I will also link down below her Etsy store, or maybe I will link down below her Linktree link that has everything in it. But make sure you watch her video too. And make sure you are a member of both the groups, and also be sure, if you want to be a member, make sure you answer the questions and agree with the group rules, because I don't think if you don't do that, you will become a member, so you don't have access to the papers. Yeah, I think I have everything covered. Now I need to think about what I'm going to create. I have an idea. And I also want to show you something different. Sorry, I forgot to do that. Just to let you see how it looks. I have printed these 2 on 1 paper, and then you have like minis. I printed them smaller, so I have more to work with. You can even do it one size smaller, so you have 4 papers on 1 sheet. But yeah, check out your printer and see if it's possible to just print a whole page or 2 on 1 paper. Then you have smaller pieces. I think it's fun to work with. My idea, but I'm not sure if I'm really going to go through with it, but I have so many, look. I have boho stuff floating around. So I don't think I have issues. Look at this. And the trims, the trims are not from the 2 sisters, but these are. And this is, and this is, and this is from 2 sisters. And this is from 2 sisters, from 2 sisters, from 2 sisters, from 2 sisters. So yeah, I have a lot of fabrics. So I thought, let's make a mini journal. So that is what my project is going to be. And also make sure you check out Suzanne's channel to see what her project is going to be. I don't expect you to make a journal like me. You can also do like little embellishment pieces. Everything is okay as long as you use the hashtag, use the right papers, because you can mix both little mini kits together, of course, to create something different. But make sure you use the hashtag, post in both the groups, so you will be entered in the giveaway at the end of this week. Yeah, I think I have now everything covered. Really, I do. I hope you liked the video. I hope you want to join in with the challenges, all the challenges, the challenge week, and craft with the beautiful boho papers. And yeah, leave a comment. And if you're new to my channel, maybe you want to be a subscriber. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice Saturday, and I hope to see you again next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.